Good day. My name is Albeiro Aya Gonzalez. This is activity 4 of English. These are the questions. Your opinion about positive and negative effect of technology of environment. I want to spot a discussion about modern technology and its consequences of environment. In my opinion, although it's true, due to technology advancement and modern industries have abruptly impacted the environment. Technology currently has improved communication in times of pandemic, but we cannot ignore the contamination determined by highly toxic waste. I think that this pollution in natural ecosystems is due to a lack of share for inputs with low environmental impact. In addition, due to the lack of environmental strategies in pursuit of the health of the planet by companies or industries. How do you see the future of your planet? I consider that technology and global warming are due to the cause and effect of pollution. According to the studies conducted by research teams in developing countries and economic growth, root causes such as pollution growth, rapid urbanization, poverty, consumerism, etc. have been researched. They have generated the scarcity of natural resources. If current trends and increasing level of consumption continue, the impact of all these problems is catastrophic in the future for all beings on the earth. Plastic is a pollutant with a high consumption level. We only recycle 10% of the amount we use. This causes all areas to be converted by this material, which takes up to 100 years to degrade. I will think of the planet with air, land, plants, and rivers, without pollution, but I conscious of each person and the work of all for a life in harmony with nature and the preservation of these resources. How to mitigate the environmental damage? I will generate policies for governments to consider sustainable development within their strategy. A project policy at the company level is necessary to focus activities in search of a climate recovery with sustainable and renewable characteristics. I will make a business strategy where I will recommend a policy of social responsibility oriented to recycling, use recycled materials, ecological technology, solar energy, pollutants in recovery of forests, rivers, among others.